Welcome parents to our online Economics and Personal Finance Summer 2018 course in Parent Orientation. The Economics and Personal Finance course is a design prepared to prepare students to function effectively as informed career navigators, entrepreneurs or employees, insured individuals, credit and or loan borrowers, active citizens in the economy, taxpayers, savers, investors, and consumers. The Economics and Personal Finance course is a one standard unit of credit that is required for graduation. It also satisfies the virtual course requirement and offers an opportunity to complete an industry certification, which is required for anyone obtaining a standard diploma. The WISE Financial Literacy Test is the course that we use as a standard industry certification. In terms of the course class expectations, students are expected to approximately spend around 7.5 hours per day in the course Monday through Friday in order to be successful. They are directed to complete self-checks and learning activities in the order they appear in the Blackboard course, as well as on the assignment checklist, which is sent in the email and has the due dates for all assignments daily. Students are encouraged to check their grades frequently by visiting the My Grades tab in the Blackboard site, where they can obtain information on the points earned and get feedback from their instructors. If for any reason they don't understand an assignment, they need to seek help via email to communicate any issues or concerns. At the end of this email, all instructor emails will be provided. Again, you also may receive emails from your instructor. If they need any information from you, please respond promptly. The course is broken up into the equivalent of 4 weeks for a year-long course. Each week consists of the work for one quarter. Each of the 4 quarters are worth 15% each for equivalent of 60% total. Both the midterm exam and the final exam are 20% for a total of 40% on the overall grade. In terms of assignments, the course is available 24/7. We do encourage students to set a time that works with their schedule each week and each day to complete the work. All assignments should be completed on the day that they are assigned, but we know things will come up and there may be potential conflicts. So any and all assignments need to be completed no later than the following Sunday at midnight for points. If they are tried to submit beyond that time frame, they will not receive any points. Please be sure to submit assignments when you see the icon in Blackboard, and encourage all students to complete the unit reviews before they complete a test. They will only get one chance to complete the test in one sitting, and they must complete the test in its entirety. They can check the My Grades tab to see their grades and current status for any work that's completed. We have a missing or not handed in. If any assignments have not been submitted, a 0 will be entered in until that assignment is submitted by the following Sunday midnight deadline. Progress reports will be sent home after every unit, as well as daily and the end of any major unit test. Students can see their daily points and SIS for total points, and they'll need to refer to Blackboard for the individual point breakdown. Collaborations are held Monday through Friday, and students are expected to attend at their instructor's time. There will be no collaborations held on the 4th of July holiday or the July 11th or 25th exam dates. It is important for students to attend and participate in the collaborative sessions, as that's how they earn points as part of their grade. If for any reason they have a schedule conflict and miss a session, they are able to listen to a recording afterwards, thoughtfully summarize the session, and provide any answers to questions discussed and any entrance or exit tickets. They need to then send an email to their instructor with the missed date and session and content time. And also, parents need to give permission to students to complete and participate in the Remind 101. This is a one-way form of messaging that allows teachers to communicate with parents or students the daily assignments that are due each day and keep them on track. It will be used to remind students of each daily assignments that are due, and again, parents must give permission in the Google form for their students to participate and enroll in this feature. There are 2 face-to-face exam times in which students must report to in person. The midterm exam, which is held on Wednesday, July 11th at 5 p.m. at Stewart High School, and the final exam, which will take place on Wednesday, July 25th at 5 p.m. at Stewart High School as well, and also the WISE test will be administered on that date. All students must be present for these test dates, and we hope that your student has a great summer session. If for any reason anything has changed, then you need to correspond with your instructors. In terms of if your summer schedule has changed and you can no longer meet the course requirements, the deadline to drop the class is this Thursday, June 28, 2018 by 11:59 p.m. The refund policy is stated in the Encore Summer School Manual, and all refund requests must be submitted again no later than Thursday, June 28, 2018 at 11:59 p.m. To request a refund, you must visit the site and click Request Refund, as no paper or email requests will be accepted and no late requests will be considered. Again, the following online campus instructors can be reached with their emails. Make sure that you know who your student's instructor is to correspond with the appropriate EPF instructor, and they should be contacting you and communicating with you to let you know whose course you are in. Again, thank you, and we look forward to working with your students and having a successful summer EPF session.